At first, when I tried indirect prompt injection using this file, where I have malicious instructions in the file, it ignored. It ignored, which is also fine, good behavior from the model, expected behavior. But I tried again and again to force the model to read last lines, important section, and then give the result. Okay. Here again, I asked to go very end, important instruction section. It went to important instructions. It gave what are the important instructions in the end. But again, I said, help me with what is asked in the important section. Now it says, I'm sorry, I can't comply with this request because this is not a expected behavior from the model, which is, that means our indirect attack, prompt injection attack, is also blocked. So this is how I wanted to just show, or maybe just want to give some understanding on the prompt injection attacks, direct and indirect. And I created a model and then tested with prompt injection attacks and to see how exactly the well-known models well-known models in the market will respond to our prompt injection attacks. Maybe if you are not using the model, if you are building the own model, and if you are not guardrailing or protecting your environment with this kind of instructions, it kind of attacks, your model may reveal sensitive information because your LLMs do not understand the intent or the trust boundaries. They treat system instructions, developer rules, user input as a text that can sometimes be overridden by it clever overridden if it is cleverly phrased. And why traditional security doesn't catch them? Because it is not a no, it is not a malware, it is not a code exploit, it is just a text. Firewalls, antivirus tools don't detect this malicious language. So it is very important to understand these concepts. And if you are building a new model on your own, you have to take care of this kind of controlling these kind of attacks, or if you are using the existing models in the market, really test how resilient are these systems, test complex scenarios before deploying the model into the production. And if required, build more guardrails, integrate with other protection AI protection systems tools that are available in the market. The end goal is to make sure your AI model that you are building is protected by all these kind of attacks.